Three prominent automakers, hailing from the United States and China, collaborated to meticulously craft this car from inception to completion. Astonishingly, they are offering it for a mere $13,000. According to insights provided by Kelley Blue Book, the average price of a brand new car in March 2023 stands at $48,008. Despite experiencing a 3% decline from December 2022 to March 2023, the ongoing average transaction rate remains significantly elevated, soaring by 27.8% compared to pricing before the pandemic struck. The extensive ramifications of COVID-19 have reverberated throughout the economy, profoundly affecting various sectors, including the cost of new cars. The disruptive impact on the supply chain has resulted in escalated prices, transitioning from an average of $41,152 in 2020. This figure surged by more than 14%, reaching $47,077 in 2021. Since the onset of the epidemic in 2020, companies across all sectors have grappled with delays due to factors such as facility closures, adherence to social distancing regulations, labor scarcities, and more. Given that most manufacturers are contending with identical supply challenges, the escalating prices of car parts are concurrently propelling the costs of auto manufacturing higher. The current scarcity of supply, as opposed to what is typical in normal years, has led to an inability to meet existing demand, thereby resulting in elevated costs. However, the repercussions of the reduced supply over the past 2 years will reverberate for a considerable period. So how did automakers tackle this predicament? Some of them managed to develop budget-friendly electric vehicles that were notably more economical than the average cost of conventional cars. This strategic move empowered both car manufacturers and consumers to weather the surge in demand for affordable automobiles. Among the notable automakers who undertook this initiative are SAIC-GM-Wuling, sometimes called SAIC-GM-Wuling. Wuling is a collaborative effort involving SAIC Motor, a Chinese automaker established in 1955 with its hub in Shanghai. Another key player is General Motors, which dates back to its founding in 1908 and operates from the Renaissance Center in Detroit, Michigan, United States. With a workforce exceeding 209,000 individuals, it operates car and truck production across 35 nations. SAIC-Wuling Motors Co. Limited stands as the third automaker in the SAIC-GM-Wuling venture. It was established in 1982 as a collaborative effort between SAIC-Wuling Motors Company Limited, abbreviated as Wuling Group, and Wuling Automobile Group Holdings Limited, thereby making its mark as a Chinese automobile manufacturer. The joint venture, recognized by the name SAIC-GM-Wuling, is located in Liuzhou, nestled within the Guangxi's wide autonomous region in southwestern China. This facility is responsible for producing an array of commercial and consumer vehicles carrying the esteemed Wuling and Baojun brands. The roots of SAIC-GM-Wuling trace back to 2002, when the joint venture between SAIC Motor and General Motors was initially established. This China-US collaborative endeavor has firmly etched its name as a substantial high-volume producer situated within China's heartland. In the year 2011, SAIC-GM-Wuling impressively recorded the sale of 1,286,000 vehicles in China, followed by 1,445,000 in 2012, all while harboring aspirations to achieve an annual sales target of 2 million vehicles. The price spectrum of their products spans from $5,000 to $10,000. The majority of these vehicles, known as Xiao Mian Bao Qi in Chinese, translating to small breadbox cars, belong to the pint-sized business vehicle category. Remarkably, these vehicles, despite their compact size, have garnered substantial popularity in economically challenged regions. SAIC-GM-Wuling has brought forth an array of cost-effective cars, among them the Baojun E100, a battery electric urban vehicle that has been in production since 2017, falling under the umbrella of the Baojun brand. This car presents as a two-seater with 2 doors and a rear hatch, encompassing the essence of a compact city car. Significantly, it stands as the inaugural offering within Baojun's electric microcar lineup. At the heart of the Baojun E100 resides a 29 kilowatts electric motor generating 110 Newton-meter of torque, equating to an output of 38 horsepower and 81 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain propels the car to achieve a maximum speed of 62 miles per hour. The vehicle's energy is harnessed from a 14.9 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, which, when fully charged, takes approximately 7.5 hours. Remarkably, the E100 boasts various driving range options, spanning from 96 to 124 miles based on the selected trim. The starting price for the E100 most basic trim of this model begins at an appealing $7,257. SAIC-GM-Wuling has introduced a more potent vehicle, priced remarkably close to that of the E100. On the 31st of August, this joint venture made an official debut of the Baojun Kiwi EV in China. This remarkable offering is a four-seater car that boasts a sleek design with two doors and a convenient rear hatch. Within less than a week, the Kiwi EV garnered an impressive number of reservations, clocking in at nearly 3,000. Powering the Kiwi EV is a synchronous fixed-ratio gearbox integrated with a rear motor, rear-wheel drive configuration. This sophisticated setup yields a robust 40 kilowatts, equivalent to 54 horsepower, along with a substantial maximum torque of 111 pound-feet. This capable vehicle can effortlessly reach a top speed of 100 kilometers / approximately 62 miles per hour, and stands out with its support for DC rapid charging, a feature that enables the Kiwi EV to be fully charged within a single hour. The premium Kiwi EV Plus model is equipped with a substantial 31.9 kilowatt-hours, 115 mAh battery, generously affording it an NEC range of an impressive 305 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 190 miles on a single charge. Presenting a larger, enhanced offering from SAIC-GM-Wuling is the impressive Baojun Yuanduo, a remarkably affordable car with a starting price of around $13,000. This innovative vehicle made its debut in China in May 2023. Designed as a 5-door electric vehicle, it boasts ample seating capacity for 4 to 5 passengers. Drawing inspiration from the clouds, the Baojun Yuanduo adopts the sophisticated interstellar geometry design language, a fresh take on Baojun's design philosophy. It seamlessly combines traditional MPV proportions, such as a raked A-pillar, a lengthy wheelbase for minimized overhangs, and a generously sized windshield and greenhouse. The Baojun Yuanduo introduces 3 captivating sky-inspired color options: Cloud Sea White, Cloud Twilight Purple, and Cloud Smoke King. With pre-orders already underway, the Baojun Yuanduo was pleasantly surprised by announcing that reservations had surged past 5,000 on the night of its launch. This model is poised to rival contenders like the BYD Dolphin and the Volkswagen ID.3 in the market. The car's dimensions measure 4,295 millimeters in length, 1,850 millimeters in width, and 1,652 millimeters in height, featuring a wheelbase of 2,700 millimeters. In comparison, the BYD Dolphin measures 4,150 millimeters in length, 1,770 millimeters in width, and 1,570 millimeters in height, with an identical wheelbase of 2,700 millimeters. This underscores the Baojun Yuanduo's larger stature. The exterior exudes a sense of tranquility, characterized by seamlessly connected headlights extending along a single light stripe to both edges of the front fascia. A similar design philosophy is echoed in the rear, with taillights mirroring the earlier theme. Stepping inside the Baojun Yuanduo, one is immediately struck by the impeccably clean interior, reminiscent of the Tesla Model Y. The cabin is infused with natural light through an expansive panoramic sunroof. Positioned at the center of the dashboard is a substantial touchscreen display, matching the dimensions of the screen found in the Tesla Model series. The flat-bottomed steering wheel is minimally adorned with buttons, and just behind it stands a modern upright gauge cluster. The Yuanduo's central tunnel features a wireless charging station, 2 cup holders, and an armrest. The seats boast a distinctive football stripe pattern, adding a touch of sportiness to the cabin's aesthetics. The second row of seats, on the other hand, has a unique characteristic. Its back can be tilted to increase the comfort of the occupant. Furthermore, the front seats may be folded to form two beds. The Baojun Yunduo EV features an electric motor situated on the front axle, capable of generating 100 kilowatts, equivalent to 136 horsepower, allowing it to achieve a maximum speed of 150 kilometers. The Yunduo model is equipped with a lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery, manufactured by SAIC-Wuling New Energy Technology, a key supplier for SAIC-GM-Wuling. The available battery capacities include 37.9 kilowatt-hours and 50.6 kilowatt-hours, offering impressive cruise ranges of 223 miles and 285 miles, respectively, on a single charge. This company boasts a monthly battery production capacity of 25,000 units. Notably, the battery incorporates an efficient liquid-cooled thermal management system. According to SAIC-GM-Wuling, this battery can be charged swiftly, going from 30% to 80% capacity in just 30 minutes. The Baojun Yunduo EV will additionally incorporate an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, safety package, sourced from drone manufacturer DJI. This technology is already utilized in various other Baojun models. ADAS comprises electronic systems within a vehicle that leverage cutting-edge technologies to support the driver. These systems encompass a range of active safety features, including automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, surround view cameras, parking assistance, driver drowsiness detection, and gaze detection. The Baojun Yunduo comes with an enticing starting price of $13,200, which sets it apart favorably from its competitors, such as the Volkswagen ID.3 and BYD Dolphin. The tremendous volume of pre-orders that poured in on the very first day of launch serves as a testament to the significant demand for compact electric cars across the globe. This surge in interest underlines the clear need for small electric vehicles in the market. The Baojun Yunduo's imminent presence in the European EV market seems likely as the anticipation grows. As for the United States market, the decision rests with General Motors, the company actively involved in the production of the Yunduo EV.